真想再看。啦啦啦啦！
我怎么记得？
你要问什么？我看我能不能知识分享给你。
来，这个怎么搞直播 Facebook？
直播没关系，我们直接开始。但这个镜头怼的那么近干什么？
我等一下，其实 OK 的。
哎，
妈把
没有网，为啥？
啊，没有网。
为啥没有网？
为啥没有网
？OK， 开始了吗？
你随时可以开始。
OK， 然后那个
我帮你点。
诗婷，这里教你一个任务，你来一下。你待会儿，哎呦，我们这个数据是不是有点问题？为什么它一直会响？
自己拿手机贴上去，自己拿
待会儿
贴吧。
开了直播以后，你把我们那个直播的链接发给这些客户。
好。
OK 就行了。你看他现在对你很喜欢，Good job， 他说。但我这为什么会屏幕闪？你上次有没有闪？对不起。
你已经点开始了。
我估计是。
已经开始了。
我得重新去配置一下，这么会闪，为什么？
弄到了。
OK， 直接开始。链接。OK， 开始。那我们直接先开始。So， 点了吗？现在点。OK。已经有很多人进直播了。完了，我们今天这个话说继续是有点厉害。但这么多人看，紧张的不行。OK。这个是 Hotmail Blue。OK。OK。开始。直接抓一把。
你看一下。应该可以了，已经拍着了。
已经拍着了。OK。
拍着的。
直接开始。Alright, hey guys, welcome back to JCT. This is Benjamin, and today we will be talking on the Hotmail glue. Okay, this is a full production line for making the particle Hotmail glue. So, if you are interested in the to build up the business for the Hotmail glue, so you definitely check out this video first. Okay, so we have to. Okay, we have two types of the reactor prepared for you, and these two are the 75 liters capacity of the reactor. We prepared two for you, so the time for making the hot glue is about for 4 to 5 hours per patch. And so if you have like 75 liters for per day and you place two of the reactors, you will get like 100 105 1500 liters of the capacity per day, and you will have the final like 1 times per day for making the hot glue particle hot glue. So this is the two reactors, and we have the two pipes to connect these two reactors and get into the, we have the facility we call this is the filter. Okay, this is the filter is to pick up the 坏的东西怎么说 so we to prevent the failed materials go through the pipe. So we have the filter place, we call this the A filter, and we get into the this is 什么来着 to improve the quality of the you know the hot meal. And we have the 完了这个是什么忘记了不是 filter 下面还有个东西的好像是主要吧 okay we have the filter A, and next to the filter we have the filter B. Okay, so filter B is going to, we have two filters to make sure the quality of the hot meal is maintained the standard of the standard proportion of the hot meal glue that we need. So we have two filters to help you to get a clean, pure hot glue. So then we have a machine we call it is a storage tank. Okay, the basic material from the two reactors get into the filter first, then go through into the storage tank. Okay, we have a storage tank to let them the basic material get it, let them rest, and let the temperature of the basic material get into the room temperature. Then we have a twin screw extruder. Okay, we have a twin screw extruder to let the storage tank discharge the material into the twin screw extruder. We have two options for you. You can either choose the twin screw extruder, or you can choose just single one single one screw extruder, depending on your business type. So if you want to build up like 2 times per day, you definitely to set up the twin screw extruder, because more extruder you have, the less time that you will get reduced in the process. So let's assume that you are going to have to take the whole process like in 5 hours. So if you place the twin screw, you will at least reduce to 2.5 hours. So so make the same one patch in the less time. You will have more money for your you will reduce the money on the invest, and you will get more money from the market. Okay, so these are the options for you. So you can consider this as the extra service we can provide for you. And after the twin screw extruder, we have a挤出机后面那是什么？阿杰，挤出机后面那个是什么？这是什么来着的？挤出机后面那个？
那个是人口。
Oh, sorry. After the twin screw extruder, there is a facility we call to shape the material into the particle shape.
进去维修。
Motor. Okay, motor. We call this a motor. Okay, so we can shape the material into the particles. So the whole process, you can even call this is the particle hot glue, hot melt glue. Okay, hot melt glue facility or production line, whatever you call it. Okay, so we have a facility, we call this a model, okay, to produce the size that you need. And then after model we have a
fly knife,
Wait.
fly
Oh.
cutter.
切刀 OK 那个单词我知道，那个单词 we after the model we have a facility we call it is no it's a it's a pet 切刀叫什么 petalize 忘记了 underwater cutter nice OK we have a facility called to cut out the material into the particles so that in order to get a nice shape that we need for the process then we have the 这个太多了我先把它刷掉想想没关系 OK after that we have few type pipes okay we have the extruded so all the material will get into the okay 挡住一下 oh we and this machine was called is cooling system so the purpose that we add in the cooling system is to reduce the temperature into the temperature that we need because we needed to heat up the material okay we needed to heat up the material in the reactor so once we have finished the screw that we needed a cooling system to let the water this is the facility we call it is a cold water tank okay cold water tank so the cold water will extrude through the pipe into the cooling system and use these few pipes and go back to the extruded okay so let the temperature reduce the temperature that into the room temperature we need so after that we have so we use the pipe to convey the material into this facility we call it is a screaming machine okay screaming machine okay the purpose that we add in the screen machine is to screen the materials that we need because some of the particles are big some of the particles are small so we have few holes on the surface of the screen machine and so once the particles go through the pipe and get into this facility it will 哎完了有点难说就是那个什么对就筛选它 to separate the size of the particles because we need a standard size of the particles we don't need the oversized particles and we don't need the field quality particles so this is the particle this is the machine we definitely need to if we need to improve the quality of the final products we need okay so after we finish the screaming then we need to use the pipe okay go back to the storage tank storage tank and we have a underneath the storage tank we have a discharge valve we have a discharge valve and we either can place a basket or few baskets if you want to go to the semi-automatic packaging line or you can build up a full automatic lines depending on your business type so definitely the automatic packaging line will reduce the time on the process but it will it will increase the money that you invest for this whole facility. Okay, so this is the whole process that we need for making the particle hot melt glue that in your market. So 我讲好了。
So fast.
So fast. Okay, so we and we have a lady. She name. So and we have a lady. She's our higher engineer. Oh, 我直接把你说一下。she's our higher engineer and she discuss with Hannah. And if you guys have any question about the this whole production line, you can ask Hannah and we can help you to figure out the question that you have in your mind. So Hannah, please step on the stage and say hi to the audience.
Hello, this is Hannah. And, maybe some friends know me and met me before. We did our factory before.
Okay.
So just our colleague introduced the.
我们有人提问吗？有人提问吗？哎，不是，我说这上面有人提问题吗？不是有一些我们的客户在吗 ？OK， 看一下，提一下问。Okay, so Hannah,
Yeah.
could you please tell me? Okay, I have a few questions about this the whole process. You know, I'm the new brand, so I'm going to invest a factory in China. So could you tell me how big is my size of my factory that is going to place this whole facility in my factory? So what is the size that I'm going to need, or if this is 170. Okay, if this is the 170 liters, so we have 2 reactors. Could you please tell me how is the size that I'm going to need for the whole process?
Yeah, I think this is a very good question. So
Okay.
for the beginner of the customer who want to start a business for the hot milk, so to be asked what is the minimum size, what is the typical size for start a hot milk. So I think 1 ton per day for the hot milk glue is a very suitable capacity because how to say? Okay, let us check this drawing and I will show you.
Okay.
Okay.
So Hannah, could you please tell me why do we need to build up a stage? Okay. So I see some of the I've been a lot of place and I see some of the factory they don't need the stage. They just it's just a line.
Just put the machine on the floor.
Yeah, could you please tell me why do we need a stage to build up? Because it looks like a big upscaled. 你看起去不是要高端点吗？还是怎么样 ？Okay.
Why we need a platform?
Yes.
Okay, this platform have a bigger section. So let me check. Okay. In this platform, we designed this is about 4 meter plus 6 meter. So this area, we will be put some pallet for the materials here, and the worker will be feeding the material from the main hole. So that will be save the worker energy. So
Okay.
if we put the machine on the floor, so
Okay.
The worker will be hand back and
Okay.
put the material inside the tank. It will be spend a lot of energy. So this
Okay.
platform will be save a lot of work for the worker.
Okay. So Hannah, so
Yeah.
I've seen there are 2 motors.
Yes.
So could you please tell me what is the power of these 2 motors?
Okay, I think this will be depend on the glue because different viscosity, the power is different, and the shift of the meter will be different. So
Okay.
for example, for our this example, 750 liters, the motor will be designed about 22 kilowatt. So if the viscosity will go more high and the motor size will be adjusted.
Nice. And Hannah, so
Yeah.
could you please tell me, so what is the material that we're going to need for making this reactor? Do we need a stainless
Yeah.
stainless material? So
Yeah.
is there any few types of this stainless material we can choose for making the so I mean if we have a
Yeah.
low quality of the of the reactors
Yeah.
and a medium higher, so is there any material we can choose to reduce the time we invest on this platform?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This question.
Okay.
Because many customers ask us before what methods will be have, why some customer take the price have a different for the machine.
Mhm.
So normally on the market we have the materials of the machine have three types. One is stainless steel 304 and one is stainless steel 316 and another is the carbon steel. So
Okay.
normally we have economical suggestion that the inside we will choose stainless steel 304 and outside the jacket we will be choose the carbon steel.
Okay.
So the glue contact materials we will choose the stainless steel that will be guaranteed the machine could be used over 10 years.
Okay. So cool. And 完了，下一个问题我应该问什么呢？So Hannah, so because 我有多大的厂房？So Hannah, so what are the size of my factory to fit this the whole platform in? Because I have 20 work for me. Okay, I have 20 work for me, and I have few engineers and I have few some people do the hand work for me. So how many people do we need for this plan, and what is the size that I need? Okay.
For this plant, about 4 workers okay for the whole plant. Worker for feeding the materials and the worker for the for package the
Okay.
finish
Okay.
glue. And for this whole line, we will need a factory size. Don't need very big.
Okay.
About 500 square is enough. But we have to considering the height of the ceiling, and also the length platform to here the for to the collector for packing. We
Okay.
have considering the length.
Okay. Cool. So and I'm just notifying. So what is this facility and what is this? 那是冷水塔。
Okay. Glue and we are mixing with some resin and wax and some filter mixing together. So in here, the reactor we will be have heating oil in the jacket and to melting the resin.
怎么回事？为什么要这样子？怎么还没有开始？
所有都没有开始吗？
就这个没有。OK， 没关系，
没事没事，还有
没关系，我们还有其他的。
Okay. After we melting the glue in the tank, and then we will go for the extruder. Okay.
OK，
Go for the extruder, and the extruder we will be have the extruder will be
下次哦，我们要把这个拉。
yes.
OK。
Yeah. So
So what is the temperature? What is the temperature of the material that came from out from the reactor? 就它出来温度是多少？
oh
Because you mentioned that we need to reduce the temperature down to the 5 to 60 degrees. Okay.
here temperature
Okay.
is about 100 and
150
15
degrees.
about temperature because different glue the temperature will be a little different.
Will be a
It's
little
not
different.
totally the same.
So what do you think is the maximum of the temperature inside of the reactor?
The maximum temperature our machine can be higher to 280 degrees.
280 degrees.
Yes,
Okay.
the maximum.
Okay.
And the temperature is adjustable.
Okay, that's cool. So it means the machine is customized. Okay,
yes.
so I got it. So if I want to put my logo on my machine, is that available?
Sure, why not?
Okay, okay, that'd be great because because I want my material to be
you want
unique.
your logo and your machine.
对, because I want my material and my machine is unique compared to with others because I want my product is very competitive in the market.
Yeah.
Because the purpose I want to build up this one is I want to build up my
Yeah, I understand. Some customer will need. I need my logo in my machine surface, and
Okay.
also I want to choose different color. Some customer will be like the gray color. Some need the white, some need the red, and it's no problem. We can according to your minds, we can adjust the paint color.
Okay. So Hannah, I have a question.
Yeah.
Because some of my clients
Yeah.
they can come to me and ask because how is this process to be operate? Because is there any can you train my people to work with this the facility?
Oh.
Okay.
So how to operate the machine?
Yes.
Yeah. So we will provide the first we will provide the manual operation, the manual operation booklet.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the first one.
Instruction.
Yeah, instruction.
Okay.
And the second, our engineer will attending our online meeting to guide you how to operation the machine. Yes, we can build up a group to teach you how to operation the machine. And third, if you need, our engineer can be comes to your country, to your factory, to teach you face to face.
Okay, that will be great.
To run in the machine. And after your machine running successful 1 week, and then we back our factory.
Okay, that will be great because I just want people to help me. I just need a one. So I don't want to watch the video. I don't want the meeting. I just use some people.
Hand by hand.
Yeah, that will be great. So so I have one more question.
One more question.
应该问什么呢？应该问什么呢？ So I have one more question about the so the price of this whole platform. So what are the approximate price for this whole platform? So what do you think? Could you give me a suggestion?
For this slide,
Okay.
the cost. Okay. If you need a cost, please come. I give you quotation.
That would be great. Okay. So what if the customer they want to produce like 10 tons per day? So do you think what is the capacity of the rack that they need?
10 tons, right?
The 10 tons per day.
Okay. If it's 10 tons per day, I think the capacity is not enough.
Okay.
We need to a big machine.
Okay.
And we need a bigger.
Bigger.
Yes.
Everything is bigger.
Yeah. Need to adjust.
Okay.
Because the different capacity and the machine will be different.
Okay.
Like the big barrel will be the big more water.
Okay, cool.
So I have a question. Because just my customer I didn't join our meeting. So
Okay.
he said he want to check the glue stick.
Okay, glue. This is the particle. Okay, we definitely have a unit.
Yeah, my customer Jackie. This is Hannah.
This is Hannah. OK， 也是条状的，
Okay.
上面是粒状的，
This is
这个是块状的，
the 样品啊，给我拿下那个。
条状的。OK。
Okay. It's the glue stick. And this is the top view of the glue stick hot melt glue production. And maybe for some new customers, might not very familiar for this drawing. So I make a brief introduction for this drawing. So if you need more clear picture or more information, please back to us, and I will give details information and introduction for you. Okay, we take the drawing. In the beginning, here with the platform and the staircase, the people can climb the staircase, go to the platform for feeding the noodles and mixing and melting. And after the reactor, we go for the extruder. Goes for the extruder, and here we have a mold. The mold will be beside the size of the stick, the different diameter of the stick. So here is the cooling time. Here cooling time is about 30 meter, but could be according to your factory size design to 20 meter or 25 meter is okay. Okay, so this cooling tank function or make the glue stick become solid. And here we have
怎么说？有没有人留言？
不知道大家是怎么了，是疯狂点
的，王丽点的。
哦，都是王丽点的。可以。哎。
comment below so we can。哎，我刚刚说话他们听到了没有？
没有，我刚才听得到的，因为手机上也可以听得到。
没有人留言吗？请问？So no one leave message. So how can we answer your question? So please.
I have a question.
Okay.
I have a question.
Okay.
So I have a question. So you mentioned about the water tank.
Yes.
So what is the temperature in the water tank?
Okay, in the water tank, the temperature is about 5 degrees.
5 degrees. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So how can we maintain the temperature at 5 degrees? So what is this facility that we're going to need?
Yeah, so here have the water recycle system. So when the water tank temperature getting high, and then we will back to the cooling chiller machine. So the chiller machine will be let the water getting cooler again, and then goes back to the cooling tank. So the water is continue cooling.
Recycle.
Yes, recycle.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
And so Hannah.
Yeah.
So do you think for the packaging line, do we need the full automatic line or just semi-automatic will be enough?
I think the production line is semi-automatic is okay.
Okay, okay, cool. So okay, cool.
什么时候结束？
什么时候结束？你的客户怎么不留言？你的客户怎么不留言？
这没有留言啊。
对，我那天直播也是这样子。
今天那个思婷，你看到有多少人在线啊？
怎么说 ？This is our engineer.
Young engineer.
What? This is our engineer. Engineer. 怎么说？哦，在哪里？你不能看吗？你不能帮我们看吗？
你看了，你告诉我们，我们回答就可以了。
哦，还有现在这样子。
你真的才发现2分是2次吧？
So we have some friend leave the message, leave the comment, so we can read and back to you.
We can read and back to you.
Yes.
Okay. I think.
是吗
Comment below.
Leave your message. Okay. So please leave your email address or your. I'll focus on the screen. Okay.
So 你可以问他 So
你返回那一个吧，他说那一个，
另外一个是吧？
上一张图。
So
Okay, back to the last page.
So what is a part that you are not quite understand for this drawing?
Yeah, please give us your message.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we will answer to you.
So Hannah, there's a customer they would love to have the instruction
Yeah.
for the platform. So do you think
没有，他
he
刚
can come？我先可以叫他联系我们的客服，上面没有客服吗？
Oh yeah, we have the customer service and we have our colleague online and we can track to you. And you also can leave your contact information. We will contact you and provide more information. And the time is short, and next time we can meet and talk more details. You can leave your questions at the next time. Next time we can talk more details because today the time is very short and we just explain the briefly information. So next time we can talk more information for each part. So please leave your comment and it will be help us to know which part you want to know and we will back to you definitely.
所以下次的手机啊，一定要前面，知道吗？一定要前面我们才能看得到那个，然后后面我们都看不到，一定要前面才能。
Okay.
对。
有个要退房。Okay, someone asked us for the formulations. Formulations is okay. We can provide yes. No matter the granular hot melt glue or thick hot melt glue, we can provide. Yeah. We can provide together with the machine, so it's definitely okay. So next time we will be invite our 20 years engineer to join us to share our information to you.
20 years engineer.
Yes.
Why he's so young?
No, it's another engineer. Okay.
Is he a genius or is he have a lot of the knowledge for the?
Yeah, he's a genius. Is experienced and old handsome. Okay. Okay. Next time we can explain more to you. And the next time, please still join our. I will. So when is the next time our?
Next time the live stream will be the next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday.
Okay.
Next Tuesday. We can see on the next Tuesday more information. So if you want to check the cake, HMPSA production, and then we can show you. And if you want to show the video, we also can show here to show you. So please leave your comment and please we will show the link to your WhatsApp and or to your email and please join us next time.
Cool.
Yes.
Cool.
所以
我们可以结束吗 ？OK， 我们可以结束了，可以结束。过了30秒。
Okay, so bye bye, Miss.
That will be all the demonstration for today.
Yeah.
So if you are interested or if you have any more questions, please contact to our service people, and we have 24-hour service back for you. Okay. So and we will see you next time.
Yeah.
And bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye. 拜拜。OK。
然后跟打一圈，讲那么多，最后那一句拜拜，我应该怎么讲？